How to set up NFT Discord server, NFT art tutorial step by step. Hi there you guys, welcome to another video, and in this video I'll be talking about how you can set up your own Discord for your NFT content. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to set up channels and categories, and I'll be showing it to you how to do it right here on this video. So guys, make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss a step and so you don't miss all of the process. So in 2022, you guys, NFTs are absolutely exploding in popularity, which is really evident. As you can see in social media, everyone's talking about NFTs now. With Discord becoming the go-to place for NFT communities to exist, it is vital for every NFT community, I think, to have a Discord server set up. So if you have already a community, or if you want to create a community, make sure that you follow these steps because it will be essential. If you don't follow all the steps, then you'll mess the setup, because it's essential that all of these will be taken into account, because this is basically the lifeline of your Discord server. This will determine how the community members are going to communicate with each other and stuff like that. So now, first thing that we'll need to do before we proceed talking about the steps is that let's create our Discord server by clicking this button right here. Now let's add a server. Now we want to add a server that will be closely related with the thing that we do. If you're a content creator of NFT, if you're an art creator, or if you're someone who just buy and sell and it's NFT is kind of the work thing that you do. Now let's try to put in a club or community, because it's basically a community that we're trying to work with. Now let's put in the server name that we want to. I want my server name to be related with the thing I do. So let me just go ahead and say NFT tutor, something like that. I think it'll look cool. NFT tutor. Okay, so right now we are under the dashboard of the server that we just created. Now what we need to do is to add in categories. So to do that, just double click and you can add in create category by clicking that button. So what you want to name your category is information. So let me just type that in. Information. So right after this tab, or after this category, you'll have to set up some channels. So let's set up a few. First one, it's called announcement. This channel is for official announcement from the team. If you're looking forward like to build a team for your Discord server, and this will be the fastest way to communicate and to notify your community about important updates. So click on create channel right there. Okay, I think we just duplicated the channel, so I'm just delete this one. So let's add in a new channel, which is called roadmap. So this channel right here is a common place for NFT collections to have a roadmap outlining their intentions, so of how the future will look regarding the project. So I believe you can do this by linking work management app out there. There are various work management apps for free that you can try, including Pipedrive and Odoo. A lot more platforms that you can definitely integrate with this one under roadmap. And this channel, you guys, roadmap will lay out, or at least link to a place where your Pipedrive is or Odoo is, and they can find the roadmap, like maybe a Pipedrive or a pipeline of work to do, like a Kanban board of something that you'll need to complete. And next, let's add in official links. So this is going to be important for your server, because there is a lot of fraud in the NFT industry, you guys. And this channel will direct your community to officially approve links so they can trust the sites that they visit. So make sure to create this channel right here. So let's click on create channel. And one more thing that you'll need to add, you see this everywhere you go, basically. Let's add in facts. So in this channel, it will be a common place for your community to ask questions, and then you're going to set up the job to answer them. Some common questions will be like, who is the team, when will minting start, how many NFTs will be minted, stuff like that. So now that we're done adding in channels, let's add in a new category, Now we already added information. We're gonna add in a new category which is called community. So I want you guys to type in community right there. Okay, community. And this community category is where the bulk of communication will happen, you guys. All verified users will be allowed to participate in these chats and discuss the NFT project. So under community, we're going to set up some channels. You guys, we have general, and basically what this will do is that this will be the primary chat room for your community. And this is an open forum for discussion and will be the most visited channel in your NFT server. Next is the buy and sell channel. This channel, you guys, will be used for the discussion and or discussion of buying or selling NFTs in your collection. If you are a content creator or someone who just buys and sells NFTs. So this is essential because it's a place for buyers and sellers to come together to meet and transact. Now, think the open pit of the New York Stock Exchange, but for your NFTs only. It's something like that. Next is a channel for other projects as well. Now, this channel may seem very counterintuitive, but why would you want your community to discuss other projects in your Discord, right? So, unfortunately, most NFT Discord servers get joined by promoters of other projects, and this channel tells them that they should keep their shilling to a specific channel. The beauty of Discord is that individual channels can be muted, so most users will mute this channel. Consider this the outlet that keeps the rest of your community focused on your NFTs. Okay, so now that we're done setting up the categories and channels, we'll now need to set the roles. So we'll be needing quite a few roles. We'll need 4 roles to be exact. And to do that, click this tiny little drop down icon near the NFT Discord server name, and then you'll see several tabs. But I want you to click server settings right there. And under service server settings, there is a sidebar on the left pane of your screen, and I want you to choose their roles. So there you go. Now here we can create the roles that we need. First is we'll be needing team. So now let me put in team over here. So this role will be given to this role will be for members of your team. So it will grant full permissions to nearly everything. So we will set up permissions as well after this. Let me save changes out there. Next is I'm going to add in another role, which is moderator. So right here, this role will be given to moderators hired to manage the community. If you're looking forward to hire moderators, I think they're essential as well. Next, we also have bot. So if we're going to integrate bot as well. So this role is to be given to bots, you guys. It's gonna be it's gonna be super cool, you guys, once we're done setting up our Discord server. So this role is to be given to bots once they are added to the chat. And they should be given full permission so that they can do their jobs effectively. Now, last thing that we'll have to set up is member. So let me just type that in here. And I'll remove excess role that is right here. So I'm just double click that. Okay, and how do we mute this role? Okay. All right, so now for the permissions. We can now set up permissions of each role by clicking on the tab beside display right here. And after you click that, let's set up their permissions. So once your roles are set up, you guys, you can set permissions for each role. And we recommend the following. Team, now that the roles are set up, it's time to put them to use. So the team roles should be set to allow everything possible. So set to allow everything possible, you guys. Just toggle everything on. Toggle. So let me just toggle everything on. It takes a while. All right, manage nicknames, kick members. What else can they do? So basically, this is going to be like the highest, executive part of your mini government out there, your little Discord server. So just basically toggle everything out here. I'm not sure if you can just opt to toggle everything on, but apparently I don't see any option for that. Next is, yeah, this is because unless there are other members of the team that don't need such permissions, you know what I mean? So next is moderators. So what you allow here is they should have read and write permissions in all channels, but no ability to change channels and server settings, you guys. For the bots, you'll have to require all permissions to do their jobs. Make sure you only give this role to bots you have added to your server. And next is for the members should have the most restricted permissions, and they should be read only or read only in all informational channels, and only able to write messages in the channels under the community category. Right there, you guys. So basically, that is how you set up an NFT Discord server here on discord.com. So let me know if I miss anything out in the comments below. That's it for this video. I'll see you again in the next video. Peace out.